I'm Alex Munoz.
And we're admission counselors at SMU in Dallas, Texas. Today we're giving you some do's and don'ts on things to do during a college fair. First off, don't assume that the college fair is set up in alphabetical order. So as soon as you get in, make sure you look at the map so that you know the setup and know where you're going. Another thing is don't rush to your top university first. Talk to some other universities. This will help as a warm-up, but it'll also help you get information about universities that you might have not heard of before. So keep an open mind and go out and talk to universities maybe that are in a region that you're interested in going to.
Also, a common question students ask is, how is a certain major? A better way to ask is maybe, what can I do with a certain major? What opportunities does your university offer with research and internship opportunities that will allow you to get the most info about the certain area you're most interested in, and it will allow us to expand upon our opportunities. Also, listen into the conversation the representative from the university is having with the people ahead of you in line, because you might be having those same questions, and it will allow you to get your questions answered at the same time, and it will allow us to, the universities, to answer questions, multiple questions at the same time.
Another thing to do is to take advantage of the information sessions happening during the college fair. There are sessions on all sorts of topics, and this will allow you to interact with the university representatives that are presenting those sessions, as well as getting some valuable information on the college search process, the application process, and topics of that sort.